It would start off slow. Once you have a straight line, you want to make sure that you're cutting straight down so you have the same width across the diameter. Once you cut it off, you'll have a chunk just like this, and you're ready to drill. I'm using an old Christmas tree that I saved from last Christmas. Here I have the original trunk, not the trunk, the original wood. I've just cut off a little section. Another way of making one of these toys is by using one of these bits that go for around $15. Basically, it just cuts out a hole from a piece of wood, and you're able to have one center hole to use to make your two other holes. To just do light pulls, and it goes. If you're in a hurry to make one, which I doubt it, go ahead, use one of these bits to make it. The only downside of using these bits is that you don't get the bark on the outside, but if you like the clean finish, the more sanded look, I'd recommend using the bit instead of the saw. Here's a drill press that I'm using. It is a Craftsman. Very nice little drill. The shaft used to be all rusted, but all I had to do was polish it up, and the rest of it I didn't even paint. All I did was put a layer of grease, and it brought back the color. There's really no important way on how to drill the holes. You just want them any space apart from the center. So for my holes, I'm going to be putting a hole right here, and across from me I'll put it over here. Now the center is not really too centered, but if you want to use a center hole and it looks centered, go ahead. So I'm just going to let it down just like this. Do the other hole right across from it. There you go. Two holes. They don't have to be completely in the middle. They just have to be somewhat. Next up, you're going to want to cut your string. The string I'm using is some chalk line string. It's used in roofing, but any string will do. I'm just using this because there's a lot of it. So, I like doing an arm's length, just like that. Through. This can be a little bit tough. If you have a nail, it helps. Sometimes it's not necessary, depending on how big a hole you make. I recommend not making the hole too big, but not too small, because if you make it too small, it's going to be harder to thread through all the rope that you're using. If it's too big, there's going to be a lot of play in it, so it'll flop around a lot. And after you thread through the holes, you'll just tie off the end. Do one knot, and it should hold up just fine. Sometimes that one knot slips just like this. Okay, this one's a good knot, so that's not going anywhere. In order to get it started, you just spin it a couple times over. Pull, let go, pull, let go, pull, let go. And there you go. Little spinning toy. As you can see, the holes aren't perfectly aligned, but it's going quite well. And also the diameter of it isn't very symmetrical either. If you have any questions, any difficulties, just leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you about that.